Hello, my name is Judo Kim. I am from South Korea. I have been designing and developing footwear for 25 years. During my career, I have worked for many big international brands. I have been through countless factories, and through the years, I have noticed a big problem with the toxic glues used in the shoe manufacturing industry. The fumes from glue create a very bad work environment for factory workers. And in Asia, where most shoes are produced, workers often don't have access to makers or proper ventilation. I think this is a big problem. This is a really big problem. This is where my original inspiration to design key economy come from. So I decided to design shoes for humanity, not only pay attention to consumer needs, but also to factory worker needs and the also needs. I did this by developing a modular self-assembled shoe that uses no glue, where the end user assembles the shoe, making the manufacturing process much less labor intensive. From consumer to traveler, no problem. Replace specific parts as you need. If for instance, the outsole of your key economy wears out, you can easily disassemble the shoe, recycle the sole, and replace it with a new sole. Also, because of its unique modular design, key economy is highly customizable. You can build your shoes around your lifestyle, choose your own colors, and easily assemble your shoes to match your outfit, your mood, your favorite sports kit, the season, or your environment. If you are indoors, key economy is a slipper. If you are outside, bam, it's a shoe. With the key economy, you become the factory. With the key economy, you become the designer. So please, join the footwear revolution. Back this product and let's key economy.